So sad there for the businessman. A few months after the lapse of a 6-month window for locals to buy 3,000-acre Teita Sisal land, a group of residents under the Taita Housing Cooperative has expressed interest in acquiring the entire parcel from the investor. The land located in Mwatate has been subdivided into areas for settlement, farming, industry, schools and churches, with plans to spur the development and expansion of Mwatate town. Hezron Kimari now reports from Mwatate.
Well, a group of Taita Taveta residents have come together and registered a housing cooperative farm where they're targeting to buy the entire 3,000 acres of Sisal farm. This is after the owner, Philip Kiriazi, announced that he will be intending to sell the 3,000 acres to Taita Taveta community. And now we'll be having opportunity to hear sentiments by the members of the cooperative and also some community.
MD for this farm, Teita Estate farm, had already announced, it was in public domain, that he wanted to sell off 3,000 acres of land. And we met, the few of us, and said, why don't we come together and see if we could buy the whole chunk or part of it? And our thinking then was, if we don't do it, then other people come and do it. There's an organization by name Masimambuwa who went to court and they lost. They went to court and they lost. Not once, not twice. So we said, no, we're not going to travel that route that Masimambuwa traveled and failed. We'll travel another route, and this is the route where we'll cooperate with Mr. Philip. Will cooperate with the title estate so that we can acquire this land legally.
Located along one of the biggest and the busiest highways that links Kenya to Tanzania towards Rwanda. So it's a prime location. The view is good. It's right within a big Sisal farm, so it's very green. So you're actually getting into an investment, and the collective arrangement through the cooperative has assured us that we're going to get some good discounts. So whatever you buy through the cooperative is not what you will get if you were to do it on your own. So look at it collectively, look at it as a project. It's going to generate a lot of employment, a lot of opportunities for locals.
You're buying unity of purpose. You're buying a future, not just for yourself, but for the generations to come. So come and join us. We'll be having mobilizations, not just in Taita Taveta, but in Nairobi, Mombasa, and other cities as well. If you hear that we are in your city, please come and join us and hear more about Dapata. For our local leaders, we pray and we request you to hold our hands.
There are sample houses that will be put soon. And when I say soon, starting the end of this month, there will be put 4 sample houses. Because, as I said earlier, this is a project. You will not come here and put your house the way you like it. It has to be to a certain standard. Those who purchased earlier, they'll become members of our cooperative. Through this cooperative, you can buy whatever number of plots you want. So if already you have bought, let's say 1 or 2 plots, you'll just be operating under the umbrella of that cooperative.
As you've heard from the representative of the Taita Housing Cooperative, is that they are saying they have entered into agreement with Philip Kiriazi, the owner of the Teita Sisal estate, on how they'll be able to purchase the entire 3,000 acres of land and settle some of the community and probably make sure that the dream of the Green City comes to pass. Reporting for KTN from Mwatate.
All right, thank you, Hezron Kimari, for that. We are now taking another break, but when we come back, we're going to be joined by our very own Kelly Boss with the latest in terms of matters business. Stay with us.